Kia ora, this is Wandering Māori, this is Kayla. I'm just here to announce I'm going to be moving to Mexico in 2 months, and this channel is going to be all about travel content, solo backpacking as a wahine, as a woman, and Māori, Indigenous, and traveling around Mexico from a Māori perspective, connecting with the locals, speaking Spanish, and learning the ways of the Mexican culture. So I have no idea how this journey is going to turn out. I'm literally just winging it, guys. I'm just got my backpack and I'm getting on that flight in August, and I have no idea how it's all going to turn out. So if you're interested in following the journey and finding out what happens, follow me and subscribe. It's going to be interesting, it's going to be exciting, but here's to chasing my dream as a solo traveler and Māori, and finding out more about Indigenous cultures. So follow me, and kia ora, ka kite.